Hello students, now I show you some interesting position. Checkmate with a knight. First I arrange the position. White side, king g1, rook f1, n d5, pawn a2, pawn h2, and pawn g3. And black position, king a8, rook b8, knight a7, bishop b7, knight e6, and pawn a6. Now this position is white to move and checkmate in one move. Okay, so best move is in this position knight b6 checkmate. King cannot move any square. Knight b6 checkmate. Okay. Now I set up position number 2, second position. White king f2, knight g4, knight e6, and black king g8, rook h8, pawn a6. It is also same checkmate in one move. First you look the position very careful. White to play and mate in one move. Now black king move only one square, f7. So knight can block f7 and give a check. So now black king checkmate. So best move is knight a6 checkmate. King cannot move g7 and f8 because e6 knight is here and f7 also a6 knight is here. So king cannot move anywhere. Knight check. Okay. Now I set up position number 3rd. White king g2, knight e4, knight e6, black king e8, knight e7, sorry, and knight d7. Okay, position is done. It is also same. White to move and checkmate in one move. Now black king move only f7 square in this square. King cannot move d8 and f8 square because white knight is here. So best move is in this position knight d6 checkmate. King cannot move d8, cannot move f8. E6 knight is here. E6 knight controller d8 and f8 square, and f7 also d6 knight is here. King cannot move f7 square. So checkmate. Now I set up position number 4. White king h4, knight e5, rook a1, pawn h5, king h6, rook f8, knight e4, pawn c7, pawn g7, pawn h7. Position is done. It is also same. White to play and checkmate in one move. So now best move is king cannot move g6 square, h5 pawn is here. King cannot move g5. White king is there. So black king get any check, then checkmate. So knight g4 is the best move. Now checkmate. King cannot move any square. Okay. Now I set up the position number 5. King c2, bishop e1, knight e4, pawn b2, and black king a4, queen f1, pawn b5. Position setup is done. White to play checkmate in one move. Now see bishop e1 is there, so bishop control the full diagonal a5 b4 square, and b3 square also king control. White king control the b3 square, a3 square also pawn, b2 pawn is there, so get only one check. Knight c5 check is also checkmate. King cannot move a5 b4, bishop e1 b bishop, and a3 also pawn, and b3 king. So king knight c5 checkmate. And one check also there, knight c3. Knight c3 is not checkmate. Knight c3 is not checkmate because only check, because now king can move a5 or b4 square. So knight c3 is bad move. Best move is knight c5 checkmate. Okay. Now I set up the position number 6. King e3, rook a6, knight e1, pawn e4, pawn a6, king e5, rook h1, knight b3, bishop e7, pawn g4. Setup is done. Now same, white to play checkmate in one move. So now black king cannot move any square. The full of 6 rank rook can control. White to control full of 6 rank d6, e6, f6, and d5, f5 also e4 pawn control, and f4 and d4 also. White king is here. So only one check, and then black king checkmate. So knight d3 check with checkmate. Now black king checkmate. Unfortunately, Knight, unfortunately, knight move f3 square. It is bad move. Now pawn can capture. So best move is knight d3 checkmate. Okay. Now I set up position number 7. King c4, knight b6, pawn b5, pawn d4, rook g1, and black king d6, pawn c7, d7 is e6, knight f5, rook h6. Position is done. So now white to move and checkmate in one move. So now black king move only one square, e7 square. c6, c5, d5, e5 cannot move any square, only move e7 square. So suppose knight can play c8 square, now check and cannot move also e7 square, now it is checkmate. Knight c8, checkmate. Okay. Now I set up position number 8. King e1, queen d1, rook a1, rook h1, bishop c1, knight h5, pawn a2, b2, c2, d3, f2, g2, h2, king e8, queen d8, rook a8, rook h8, knight e7, bishop f8, pawn a7, b7, c6, d5, f7, g7, h7. Now position is done. White to move, checkmate only one move. It's a very interesting position. King can move only one square, d7 square. So knight move f6 square. King, black king will get check, and d7 cannot move. Knight is here, so it is checkmate. Knight f6, checkmate. Okay. Now I set up position number 9. King g2, rook b3, knight d3, bishop f3, pawn g3, king a4, rook h8, knight f5, bishop g7, pawn a5. Now setup is done. Same, white to play checkmate in one move. Now white rook is unprotected till now, and king cannot move any square, but king can capture the white rook. Now white to move, knight move, c5 checkmate. Knight support the white rook and knight also check. King will get check. So king cannot cut the white rook and cannot move any square. So now is checkmate. Now I set up position number 10. King g3, rook h1, bishop d3, knight e4, pawn a5, pawn b2, white position done. King a7, rook h8, bishop g7, knight g8, pawn g6, pawn a6. Now same, white to play checkmate in one move. Now king is Jugjuang. King cannot move any square. Now black king will get check, then king will checkmate. So knight g5 check. Black pawn cannot capture the knight because white rook is here. Pawn cannot move. It is illegal move, and king cannot move any square. So now it is checkmate. Okay, students. Now I discuss one short game. It's a very interesting short game. It is Dutch opening, white move d4, pawn f5. It is called Dutch defense. e4. It is the style of opening. Now f into e4, knight c3, knight f6. In the opening part, always you think develop your pieces, control the center. Castling is very important. Should be must in the opening, in the part of opening, and uh, control the center. Bishop open diagonal, rook open file is very important. It is a principle of chess. Now bishop g5, sorry, bishop g5, g6, f3 is good move because knight cannot move f3 square. Pawn is here. When pawn capture the knight, when pawn capture the pawn, then knight capture the black pawn. So that's why f3 is good move. E into f3, knight into f3, bishop g7, bishop d3, c5, pawn advance, pawn d5, queen b6, queen d2, it is good move. White sacrifice the pawn. White sacrifice the b2 pawn. Now queen into b2, normal move. Rook b are also good move. Knight into d5. Okay. It is bad move. Knight into d5 is bad move. Actually, black idea knight into d5. White also play knight into d5. Then queen into b and check. Now knight into d5. It is excellent move. Double good move. Now queen into b on check. King f2. Queen into h1. Now black queen is safe but out of the game. Now bishop into e7. Pawn d6. Pawn d6 idea. c8 bishop development. So bishop into d6. Knight c6. Develop the knight. Bishop b5. Bishop d7. Bishop into c6. B into c6. Now queen e2 check. King d8. Bishop c7 check. King c8. Now queen a6 checkmate. King cannot capture the bishop. Knight is here. Cannot move any square. Suppose in this position, king, suppose king can move f7, then knight g5 check, king g8, now knight e7 check, king f8, now knight into g6, double check, king cannot move e8 square, e7 square, f7 square, knight is here, e file full control the queen, white queen, only one move, king g8, now queen move, c4 check, only one move, guard the check, bishop e6, now queen into e6, checkmate. This is very interesting game, short game. Okay. Now I rearrange the chessboard.